guys, happy Friday. Thank you for being here with me today on another Sew Thrifted video. Today I'm going to be making a button-up shirt out of a SpongeBob blanket. So let's just get started. For this video, I'm going to be using the KWIK SEW K3484 pattern. This was a toddler's fitted sheet, and I knew I might not have enough fabric, so I seam ripped the hem all around the blanket in order to get the most fabric. So with my pieces all laid out and cut, it's time to follow the instructions. Step 1. Fuse the interfacing to the wrong sides of the facings and the collar. Grab your pocket piece and press on the indicated folded lines. Flip your pocket right side up, invert the first folded line, pin down and sew. Press about a 1/4 inch all around the edges. Because I didn't have enough fabric for the whole shirt, I ended up using a different fabric for the pocket piece and the side of the collar. And since I had a coral pink fabric already, I decided to embroider Patrick's face on it to give it a nice added detail. I took an extra step and decided to add lining to the pocket in order to cover the back stitches. Once that was done, I sewed my pocket in place. The next step was to pin my facings right sides together with the front of my shirt. Sew those down, along with sewing the back and front shoulder seams. Next steps will be sewing the collar and attaching it to our shirt. Pin the collar right sides together and sew. Pin the collar to the shirt and sew it down. Next, I'm going to pin and sew the sleeves. Sew your side seams close. And now let's start working on that hem. Start by cutting about 1 inch of the fold facing, like so. I cut that piece so that the hem could be perfectly enclosed inside the fold. Fold a 1/4 inch twice, pin and sew. Pin and hem your sleeves. The last step is to sew the buttons, and you're done. Here's the great reveal. What I love the most about button-up shirts is that anybody can wear them, and they look great on any body type. Again, thank you guys for being here. I really appreciate you all. And if you liked this video, please comment, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Have a great weekend.